Took me a second and then she flew away. Come through here for quite a while and there's a breadfruit tree right there. So the oldest civilization in Latin America, which would be Central America primarily speaking, from a Central American standing point, the oldest would be the Olmec civilization that planted and dominated the region south of Mexico, currently known as Guatemala. They transplanted themselves south from Mexico into the territory or the region known as Guatemala. That's Santa Elena over there that you're looking at currently. We're in Cayo district in Belize. Okay, some known little facts about Belize. COVID came through and did, extensive damage. But we can't blame that because things like that happen for a reason. And from something like that, it could always be positive. Because the year 2023, tourist and agricultural export was the main source of revenue to generate and help bolster the economy. The economy took a major hit during COVID, but it was already, taking hits prior. So it shows that 2023, the economy improved based on the fact that infrastructure was addressed. One of the major issues was potholes on the major freeways and highways and byways and passways. And a lot of the main tourist sites, the roads weren't pleasant. Currently, there are several roads and stuff that's still under construction to provide easy access, because when the roads are bad, you can't get there as fast. You gotta go at a little bit slower pace. So the GDP per capita for household for 2023 was, I think, 7,000. I think 700. That calculate roughly to about 700 US monthly. That would be a two-parent household. That was a two-parent household, two-child for 2023. 2024 it got bumped up because the influx of cash and major projects that was being launched in the nation of Belize. So with the emergence of those things, the economy slowly and steadily started to rise, with tourism still being a major factor and agricultural exports for agricultural goods. Yeah, so that was 7,600 for 2023. For 2024, it was 8,200. Now I kind of add a little bit more to it. It's a little bit less than that on both of the numbers. To this day, tourist industry is still major contributing factor to employment, along with the agricultural sector. So the economy grew by 10% in 2024. Um, that will be the first half of the year of 2024. So the increase for tourism was based on infrastructure and improvement in marketing. So just these are just little known facts that basically is my way of saying thank you. It claims and stated that the Belize GDP was 3.34 billion for the year 2024. It also stated that roughly exported about $28 million worth of crude oil. So I'm currently hiking in Santa Elena. Please make a mental note that we work for likes, shares, and comments. Also remember to subscribe to the channel as well. Both of the meat shop are closed today. There's a lot of little butterflies hanging out right over here. So these are just a few other items that Belize export: food, live animals, manufactured goods, raw materials, beverages, and tobacco. Belize is also the youngest nation to gain its independence. It gained its independence in 1981. Most other Central American countries fought for their independence and got it a lot sooner than Belize. I think Costa Rica even has theirs where they're like 100+ years old. Don't be a litter bug, take your trash with you. Ruta Maya is right around the corner. You still can schedule your vacation and come experience it. Still have plenty of time. Just that we're running out of time as well. It's 3 weeks away. Well, 3.5 weeks away. So I think you should want to applaud and commend those people who came and visit last 2 years. Now I'm just extending an invitation so you guys can add Belize to your bucket list. We have the Easter Holy Classic that you can come and experience. We have the Ruta Maya River Challenge. They have a kayak challenge that goes from start in Toledo, which is PG Town, and then paddle up the Caribbean Sea to the northern part of the country. I don't fully know a whole lot of information about it. September, there's the Independence Celebration. Yes, they're coming soon.
Exactly.
Stop by at Sports Bar and Grill. It's right there, back there. Get your famous Shella tacos in Belize, in Cayo District.
You know when you should be moved like that, I don't move, I don't move right. I want to talk to us for you.
We're just paying homage to all those who came and visit Belize in 2023, 2024, and those who are coming to Belize now for the first quarter of 2025.